What do you want to do with the zoo?
Take pictures and play with my background, and take a drink, and take a seat.
And how about see the animals?
Yeah, I'm going to see animals too. I'm going to see a tiger only, and I'm going to see a hippo. And I'm going to see a bacon and a little hippo and a lot of hippos.
Yeah.
I'm going to see a lot of hippos, but not tigers.
We may see some baby animals.
Like chickens.
I don't know if we're gonna have chickens there. We're gonna see monkeys. They have monkeys. Do you like monkeys?
No, I like hippos.
Okay, we're gonna see hippos.
What about zebras?
No zebras.
How about giraffes?
No,
How about snakes?
no snakes.
Frogs?
No.
Lizards?
What?
Lizards?
No.
Turtles?
No.
Bats?
No. Hippos.
Okay, hippos only, Daddy.
Antelopes?
Lucas, are you excited?
What about rhinoceros?
Is that a hippo?
No.
It looks like a hippo. It's big.
No, I'm not going to.
You want to see a chunky one?
I don't want to see turkey one.
You don't?
Just a little one.
A little one? How about some chunky one like Moto Moto?
No.
A little one like Gloria?
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's see.
Okay. Are you excited? Show me your excited face. Let me see your excited face. Like this. Come on.
I'm a little excited.
Okay. You have a little excited face. Let me see your little excited face.
Okay.
Let's see. That's really cute. I like it. I like it.
Okay, that's my little face.
Okay. Should I videotape Daddy now?
Yes.
Daddy. Are you excited?
Yes.
Good. Oh no, my hair. Baby.
Oh, no, your hair is
Wait,
awesome.
my hair is awesome.
Are you excited, my wife?
Very excited.
Let's see if Calvin's excited. Calvin, are you excited?
Okay, I think we're good.